a quiz for children about our story, Ruth and Boaz. Watch our video about Ruth and Boaz and see how many of these questions you can answer. 1. What was Ruth's first husband's name? A. Was it Boaz? B. Elimelech? C. Mahlon? D. Orpha? E. Chilion? Two. From which land did Ruth come? A. Bethlehem. B. Moab. C. Judah. D. Jerusalem. E. Babylon. Three. Who were Obed's parents? A. Naomi and Elimelech. B. Orpha and Mahlon. C. Chilion and Orpha. D. Ruth and Boaz. E. Ruth and Jesse. Question 4. How were Boaz and Naomi related? A. Boaz was related to Naomi's husband. B. Boaz was Naomi's son. C. Boaz was Naomi's brother. D. Boaz was related to Naomi's daughter. E. Boaz was Naomi's cousin. Question 5. What was the name of Boaz and Ruth's grandson? A. Jesus. B. David. C. Jesse. D. Chilion. E. Mahlon. Question 6. What was the name that Naomi told people to call her when she went back to her home? A. Mara. B. Orpha. C. Ruth. D. Naomi. E. Boaz. Question 7. Why did Ruth go into Boaz's field? A. She was poor and needed food. B. She was a thief. C. She knew that he was related to Naomi and her. D. She knew that he was rich and could share what he had. And E. She knew he was a kind man. Question 8. What was Boaz growing in his field? A. Barley only. B. Cattle only. C. Wheat only. D. Sheep and goats only. E. Wheat and barley only. Question 9. How did Ruth signify to Boaz that she wanted to marry him? A. She took off her sandal and threw it at the gate. B. She told her mother-in-law that she wanted to marry him. C. She slept at Boaz's feet. D. She told a lie that she was a widow. And E. She ate his food. Question 10. Why was Boaz kind to Ruth? A. He heard that she was a worthwhile girl. B. He heard that she had been kind to him. C. He heard that she had been kind to Naomi. D. He heard that she worked hard. E. He heard that she liked food. So, have you put answers down for all the questions? Well, here are the answers to the quiz. See how many you got right. For question 1, it is C, Mahlon. For question 2, it is B, Moab. Question 3, D, Ruth and Boaz. Question 4, A, Boaz was related to Naomi's husband. Question 5, C, Jesse. Question 6, Mara. That's A, Mara. Question 7, A, she was poor and needed food. Question 8, E, wheat and barley only. Question 9, C, she slept at Boaz's feet. And question 10, C, he heard that she'd been kind to Naomi. Now, how many did you get right? All right, don't worry if you didn't get all 10. Read the story again and try next time to get them all.